Alright, so the event is completed now, the Project Expo 2020. So, sir, today we have with us Mr. Sandeepji Tatkare, sir. And, sir, what is your feedback on this expo?
I first congratulate the organizers of this Expo 2K20 because these are the events which will help the students grow in terms of their knowledge, in terms of their creative mind, and that is where I think students can learn a lot of things. So when you develop projects, you have to learn, you have to read, and you have to understand the nitty-gritties of a project. So when you do that, it automatically increases your knowledge base and your exposure or your understanding of a certain topic. It generally grows many folds. I think that is a very good step that was been done by the principal, by the teachers, by the students who were very instrumental in organizing such a lovely event, because we are an engineering college and events like this are the core of what an engineering college is.
Okay, sir, according to you, which one was your favorite in that one?
I cannot name a single few, but I liked a couple of them which were very good. The one was the one which had a very practical application of the blind and deaf man walking stick, which had sensors. So that is the one I liked very much because that really has a practical application. And in today's world where we have that sort of technology, I think we should be able to help those who need that help. Secondly, I liked was the robotic arm. So robotic arm is not a new project, but I think that is something where the applications is manifold in terms of industry, production industry, in terms of medical, surgical industry. So department that is where something it can be used. So if channel that thought into a very perfect way, it can be used in multiple places. Third I liked was the recycling of plastic into a pavement block, which can replace concrete and other natural resources. So plastic is anyways available in abundance, and we need to recycle those plastics. So this is a way where we can use that plastic into a very productive use of roads and other building blocks. I think that is, these three projects are the ones which I like. There are many other projects that I would like to mention is the parking, multi-level parking, which needs a little more tweaking and but that was a good thought process because that is also a need of the hour, that we need a parking because cities like Mumbai and Pune don't have parking spaces. But I think projects like that will help us solve those problems. The mechanical water pump was something that is good, which can be used in the field of agriculture in hilly areas where we need to pump the water and where in the hilly areas the electricity is not reachable. I think these are the areas where practically these projects can be used and with a affordable cost. I think this is a few projects which I would like to mention. Otherwise, rest, it was good. I think this is where students will grow. Some students will make mistakes, some students will do good. But those who have made mistakes, they'll probably grow. And next time, I think they can make some better projects where that can be practically used.
Okay, thank you for your feedback and thank you for coming.